Hello and welcome. Welcome to the world of Commodore. We're going to make another change here. We're going to go up to line 10. We're going to move across with our cursor keys. We're going to get to the O. We're going to push the Shift Delete. We're going to press Control 3 and another symbol will appear. In this case, it's a pound key. Then we're going to go over to the C. We're going to press Insert Delete. And then, let's see, let's do a Control 7. That puts up an arrow. And what have we done? When we type run, we have World of Commodore in black and red and blue. And the colors are cycling. And how does this happen? Well, it happens because we told it to. World of Commodore in red, white, and blue. Isn't it magical? And once again, these are just little tweaks that we can make in our little basic program that gets us more and more comfortable how to do things like take the cursor key, move it up, move it over, make a little change, hit enter, type run. What did I do there? I've changed it so it pokes. The screen and the background color are not the same, so it looks more like a light show. And at the end, of course, we have an illegal quantity error in 12 because it can't poke a number of 256. It cannot. But we can try. That's why we have error messages. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you again in the world of Commodore. Bye for now.